Woo! Hello! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gagla Bear Show. And today we will have an unleashing of Kit and a very important, but yeah, not so important, but still a very nice kit and not so pricey, but let's say it's premium because it's from the Premium Bandai. Okay, so let's have it here. And let's go direct to the point and let's open this with my rusty but still trusted cutter. Let's go. Let's open. Premium Bandai. Let's go. Okay, so before we go to the kit, yes, it's the same. Ooh. Same as usual, when you buy a Premium Bandai and from the Premium Bandai shop on Shopee, you will have this one, this note, or it's like a invoice, yeah. Thank you for purchase, and yeah, it has this, the name of the purchase, and I have here one only, and yeah, I am collecting this. I have been ordering from Premium Bandai, but yeah, it's a little bit tricky on how to order the Premium Bandai because it's just a mere of seconds. Then all of those available kit, which is the hunted kits from for the builders, will just go sold out in just a second. Okay, so we have here, and yeah, I would like to introduce to you. So let's put the box right here. Would like to introduce to you the this is from the Aura Butler, and this is what you call the Dunbin or Dunbine. It depends on you how you call it, but it's called Dunbin. Yeah, that's it. It's the, let's say, it's the latest. Yep, the latest form of Dunbin because, or the it's a new mold of Dunbin because as I researched before I bought this, the Dunbin it has already a kit, but it's not so color accurate and also not color separated on its parts, more on just like the old kind of Gunpla also, which has those straight colors. You just need to paint and rely more on stickers, and yeah, also in building them you also need some glue or cement in order to build the kit. But this one, it's like now a Gunpla, which has a color separation and also has its, I think it still has a sticker, but I think it's minimal. And yeah, I like the design of the Dunbin. Yeah, this is the kit, as you can see there. That's the kit, the front and the rear. So it's a little bit big, not so big, but yeah, thick kind of box. So I would like to open a little bit and see the product. And yeah, wow, it is a matte finish kind of parts, very nice. What I really like on this kit is that, let me see first. Yeah, it has some stickers, but just the black ones. I think that's for the lining of the kit. Okay, so what I really like on this kit, which is, as I told you already on some unboxing, some of my unleashing also, that I like the kits, or I bought kits when I saw their anime or their series or even a movie. But right here, I'm just so curious of the design because it's like a beetle, as you can see. It's like a beetle kind of design. It's an insect kind of mobile suit. Is it also called as mobile suit? Yeah. So what I want is right now is to find the anime of the Aura Butler. I know it has an anime, but it's the old anime. Yeah, it's a really old anime. I don't know when it was released. Yeah, it doesn't have here, but yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice kit. I think it will it's a refreshing kind of kit. It will heal your burnout on some other kits, which is you build more and more Gunpla or Gundam units or Gundam kits. So yeah, this one is one of the things that can make that burnout heal. Okay, so yeah, that's why I bought this. So I'm trying some other lines of model kit also, so that I can share also my views on these kits Because as I saw on YouTube, there's so little persons or YouTubers that has a review on this kit also. But yeah, this is a P Bandai, a premium Bandai. I think it's just 1,400 pesos on the premium Bandai. But when it will go to scalpers, if there is, because yeah, until now, while recording this video, the Donbin is still available on the Shopee of premium Bandai. So yeah, maybe it's not so familiar to other builders and not so famous. That's why it's still available. But yeah, some other kits that was Gundam related is already out of stock. It's already sold out. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And same as usual, we will have a speed build, a quick look, and also a full review. Quick look and a full review of this kit next time. Okay, so yeah, wait for it because I still have so many backlogs here at my back. Literally backlogs at my back. So yeah, it will go first to my backlog paradise, and yeah, we will have this kit later on. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Dara signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. Bye. I will research its anime so I can relate to this kit. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.